Why is crypto down today? May 30th, 2025. Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency. Market. It is likely that BTC will continue to trade within this range for some time, potentially building a solid foundation for the next leg higher toward a new all-time high, says James Toledano, Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet. Journalist. Fadilpašić. Journalist. Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. May 29, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto market stays in the red as the market works to consolidate. All top 10 coins per market cap have seen their prices drop over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has decreased by 4.5%, falling from $3.55 trillion to $3.45 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $130 billion, rising over the past 2 days. TLDR. Crypto market works to stabilize. BTC decreased to the $105,800 level. Analysts argue the market is likely seeing a correction rather than a bearish reversal. BTC may continue to trade within the current range. U.S. spot BTC ETFs break the inflow streak. Any unexpected strength in inflation could introduce volatility and pressure crypto prices. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, all the top 10 coins per market capitalization are down. Bitcoin, BTC, has decreased by 2% to the price of $105,816 from yesterday's price of $107,940. This is also down from the intraday high of $108,847. Ethereum, ETH, fell by 3.8%, now trading at $2,623. This is also a drop from the intraday high of $2,732. The highest drop in this category is Dogecoin, Doge, 8.7%. The coin is currently changing hands at $0.2052. Of the top 100 coins, one is green today. LEO token LEO appreciated 1.1% to the price of $9.14. Optimism, OP, recorded the highest decrease in this category, having dropped 12.7% to $0.6863. According to James Toledano, Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet, Bitcoin's rally has already priced in bullish catalysts like institutional inflows and geopolitical uncertainty. The COO argues that, with open interest still high and funding rates relatively neutral, this sideways movement suggests a temporary breather rather than a trend reversal. Now, the liquidity is tightening ahead of key economic data, so traders are likely adopting a wait-and-see approach, Toledano says. I see it as a stabilization and not a stall, reflecting a classic consolidation phase after strong gains earlier in the month. New normal created by Trump threatens economic stability. In a comment, Toledano opined that price compression at the current level may set the stage for a larger breakout or breakdown. This will depend on macro cues and risk sentiment. Notably, he highlights, all bets are off as we brace for what might come out of President Trump's administration next. This new normal potentially threatens any notion of economic stability and consistency. Moreover, Ruslan Lienka, chief of markets at crypto platform uHodler, says that the recent activity seems to be a correction rather than a bearish reversal. For much of this year, he argues, BTC has traded within the $90,000 to $110,000 range. This has become a key consolidation zone. This area is saturated with market orders suggesting strong trading interest and potential support. Given these dynamics, it is likely that BTC will continue to trade within this range for some time, potentially building a solid foundation for the next leg higher toward a new all-time high, Lienka says. Moreover, comparing BTC and ETH, Lienka says the former is seen more as a portfolio diversifier, even if allocations remain relatively small. The latter, however, is still perceived as a more niche or exotic alternative, and broad institutional adoption is likely still some way off. Nonetheless, due to its strong fundamentals, Ethereum is a popular portfolio diversifier among retail investors. Finally, Lienka expects Bitcoin to maintain a correlation with U.S. tech equity indices over the medium term, as both are sensitive to macroeconomic conditions such as interest rates and liquidity. However, this correlation may gradually weaken over time as Bitcoin matures as an asset class with distinct drivers. Levels and events to watch next. BTC is currently trading at $105,816, moving further away from its all-time high of $111,814, which it hit last Thursday. It's down 5.5% since. It's still up 1.6% in a week. The coin has largely been trading around the $106,000 level over the last few hours. However, it broke two support levels in 2 days. The next one is the $105,000 level, which traders will keep an eye on. Betides.com spokesman Stephen McQuillan commented that BTC grew $15,000 in value in May alone. Traders are predicting the trend will continue. Our experts are saying there's an 80% chance that we see a new all-time high in 2025, he says. Moreover, the Fear and Greed Index continues falling. It has decreased from 65 to 61 in a day. This is also down from 76 seen last Friday. This is still the greed zone, but it's moving towards neutral. This suggests that fear is moving in and may potentially drive prices down. While this would mean a red market, it would also present buying opportunities. Meanwhile, on May 29th, US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, saw their net inflow streak broken. It recorded $385.65 million in net outflows. BlackRock is the only one with an increase, recording $125.09 million. On the other hand, US ETH spot ETFs saw $91.93 million in net inflows, including BlackRock's $50.45 million. Moreover, Unity Wallet's Toledano noted that there could well be heightened volatility as markets digest the latest PC inflation data, jobless claims, and Nvidia's record-breaking $26 billion quarter. The combination of potentially soft inflation, a cooling labor market, and positive tech earnings from a giant like Nvidia could create a supportive environment for Bitcoin, which often tracks tech-driven rallies, Toledano says. If the PC data meets or undershoots expectations, it might reduce concerns about aggressive Federal Reserve policy, further benefiting Bitcoin. However, any unexpected strength in inflation could still introduce volatility and pressure crypto prices, despite Nvidia's positive influence. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? While the crypto market recorded a decrease, the stock market saw a slight uptick. The S&P 500 has increased by 0.4%, the Nasdaq 100 is up 0.21%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 0.28%. The stock market reacted well to Nvidia's profits, but the gains were limited nonetheless. Investors are on high alert due to many judicial events related to Donald Trump's reciprocal tariffs. Is this dip sustainable? Analysts argue that the market is currently seeing a correction rather than a bearish trend, getting ready for the next leg up. However, it's still highly sensitive to macroeconomic conditions such as interest rates and liquidity. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Katana unsheathes to reshape DeFi. Incubated by GSR and Polygon Labs. Rich Dad Poor Dad author, Bitcoin is the easiest way to get rich. Even 0.01 BTC could be life-changing. Why is crypto down today? May 30th, 2025. Price analysis. Is XRP about to explode? Ripple's SEC letter could change everything. 2 days ago. By Harvey Hunter. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? May 29th, 2025. 2 days ago. By Fadilpašić. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $16 billion real estate project goes live on XRP ledger. $500 XRP coming soon? 5 days ago. By Simon Chandler. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By NSS Tavares. 14 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025. Full pre-sale list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovic. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovic. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.